Namaste and welcome to Yoga with Adrian. And this session we're going to bring you a simple sequence on hip opening. So this is useful after you've completed maybe a tough cardio workout or towards the end of your yoga practice. So it's an easy to do sequence and can be done on its own as well. Let's say after a long day of work and you're feeling that your lower back and the hips are very tight. So let's come to the mat. And as always, we recommend that you do about 3 to 5 rounds of sun salutations to warm the body up, warm the hips up, warm the legs up. And from there, once you're done, we will start off in an all-four position, making sure that the shoulders are over the hands, tucking in the toes, and beginning in a nice downward facing dog. So we make sure that we're relaxing the shoulders, pushing the chest towards the toes. Now, from here, we're going to raise our right leg up into a three-leg downward facing dog, making sure that the hips are squared. And we're going to bend the right knee, open up the hip to the right hand side, getting a gentle stretch into the hip to begin with, making sure that the arms are straight, bottom leg is straight, open up the hip a little bit more. Now from here, we're going to bring our right knee to the chest and stepping our right foot all the way forwards next to the hands. Now making sure that the feet is facing forwards, the whole foot's planted on the ground, and we're extending our left thigh to the back. And we're going to look forwards, gently walk and extend the hands as far forward as you can, and then placing the palms down firm on the ground and looking forward, keeping the airway open. And you can hold here for as long as you like or as long as you can. And we're going to hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and slowly inhale and walk the hands back to the feet. Now from here, once your hands are back, we're going to point the toes out 45 degrees, and we're going to open up our feet until you're on the edge of the foot. And then we're going to press the right palm inside the right knee, back leg strong, twist from the belly, chest up to the sky, and we're looking up to the sky, using our right palms to push it over the right hip up. And then breathing deeply. You can hold here as long as you like. And we're going to stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And from here, gently release. Bring the foot back down on the ground. Point the toes back, planting the foot firm. Now we're going to drop the back knee down, bringing the toes up. And we're going to twist from the belly. You can use your hand to help you to twist the belly. And we're going to rotate the shoulder back, grabbing the back foot and bending the elbow, pulling the heel towards the hip and twisting from the belly, chest up to the sky, looking up to the sky. Feel that deep stretch in the thigh. That's right. And with every inhalation, twist the chest some more. That's right. Hold here for 5, 4, don't give up. 3, yes, I know it hurts. 2, and 1, and exhale, and release. And we're going to step the right foot back into a downward facing dog, stretching the shoulders back, pushing the hips up. 2 more deep breaths. 1 more breath. Now from here, we're going to bring the right knee to our chest, moving the whole body forwards like we're trying to do a plank, and then dropping the right knee down on the ground for a pigeon. So first we want the front knee in line with our hip. So right knee in line with the right hip, and then you want to extend the left thigh back as far as you can go so we can get some length. Point the back toes, and from here we adjust the front shin as far forward as is comfortable for you. Does not have to be 90 degrees. And we move the hands back to our knee level, and then we'll lift the chest to square the hip and square our body. So looking forward, deep breath, broaden the chest up, opening up the rib cage, lengthening the spine. And from here, we are slowly going to move our whole body forwards by walking your hands, stretching forwards, 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 forwards until the elbows can reach the ground. And we're going to just rest our forehead on our hands. And we're going to push the right side all the way back, getting a nice deep stretch on the hips and the side of the thighs. And with every inhalation, just feel the breath flowing all the way down to the hip area, expanding the ribs, expanding the hips, and as you exhale, just feel all the tightness and tension flow out of your hip and the side of the thighs. 2 more deep breaths. 1 more breath, and from here, we gently bring our head up, and we can walk our hands back to our knees, lifting the chest up, straightening and resetting our hip. And of course, you can hold in pigeon for as long as you like. If you like to hold for 3 to 5 minutes, that's just fine. And gently place the palms back down on the ground, tucking the back toes. We push back to downward facing dog. Stretching the shoulders back. And from here, let's do the other side. Now, we're going to raise the left leg up. Bend the left knee, open up the hip to the left-hand side. Making sure arms are straight, bottom leg is straight. Nice stretch in the hip. 2 more deep breaths. 1 more breath. Now, from here, let's bring the left knee into the chest. And then we're going to step the left foot all the way to the front, in line with your 2 hands, making sure that the whole foot's planted down, toes facing forwards. Now, from here, we're going to extend the right thigh back further, looking forward, slowly walk the hands forwards, 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 as far as you can go, making sure to gaze ahead to keep the airway open. And let's stay here for 5. Keep breathing. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now inhale and slowly walk the hands back to the feet. And remember, we're going to turn our foot up 45 degrees. Bring the sole of the feet off the ground so you're just on the edge of the foot. From here, we're using our left palm to push against the inside of our left knee. And then we're going to twist the body to look up to the sky. And use the left hand to push. Inhale, lift the chest up more. Extend the right thigh back. Look up to the sky. Hold here for 5, 4. Deep stretch of the hip. 3, 2, 1. Exhale the hand down. Let's bring our foot back in. And from here, we're going to gently drop the right knee down, point the right toes to the back. We're going to use our left palm to help us to twist the body, bringing the right knee up. And then we're rotating the left shoulder, reaching for our foot, pulling the heel in towards the hip. And then as you inhale, twist and look up to the sky more. Deep stretch on the front of your thighs. And hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And exhale, release. And left hand back down on the ground. And from here, let's step back into a downward facing dog. Catching a well-deserved 2 deep breaths here. Resetting the body, releasing the tension from the hips. 1 more breath. Now from here, let's bring the left knee to the chest. Move the whole body forwards like you're trying to do a plank, and then we drop the left knee down on the ground, making sure the left knee is in line with the hip. And we're slowly extending the right thigh to the back, pointing the toes behind, adjusting the shin as far as you can go. And from here, we're going to walk our fingers back where our left knee is, lifting the chest, broadening the chest, stretching the shoulders back, lengthening the spine, looking forward. One more deep breath. And now from here, let's just walk the whole body forward, slowly reaching the hands forward, forwards, forwards, forwards until your elbows can reach the ground. And from here, let's rest our forehead on our hands, making sure to push the hip all the way to the back so you can enjoy a nice deep stretch in the hip joint. And we're breathing in deeply, letting the breath reach all the way down to the hip. And remember, this is a good stretch that you can easily do every day, especially if you're active. You can do after you hike or you do a lot of running or jogging. You will have to release all that tight muscles around the hip and the IT band. And with every exhalation, just feel the hip joint relaxing and loosening up. Hang in there, we're almost there. Yes, I know, this is an ouch pose. 2 more deep breaths. 1 more breath. And from here, as you inhale, gently bring the head off the ground. Carefully place your palms. Walk your hands back to the knees. Lift the chest up to reset the whole body. And from here, palms down. Touch the back toes. And we're back to downward facing dog. Making sure to take 2 deep breaths here to reset the whole body and to loosen up your hip. 1 more deep breath. And from here, we gently bring our knees down to the ground and sit back into a child's pose to relax. And from here, if you want to, you can go straight into a Savasana to fully relax the whole body and let the circulation move all the way to the hips. I hope you enjoyed the video and you will find it useful in your day-to-day stretching. And if you like the video, do give me a like and remember to subscribe at the bottom and so that you can be up to date on new videos as they are released. So namaste and have a good day ahead.